Started out being a pretty rainy day today, and I consequently didn't get out here and do very much work. I got started making videos and wound up doing that for a goodly part of the day. Plus I did a few little things in the house. But I've been giving some thought to this garage door closure, and I finally come up with an idea that I think I like. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an openable door right here. So that, let me change this point of view thing here. So that as you walk up to the garage, you can walk right in. Now that means I'm going to move the edge of the garage out to here. And those doors that I showed you earlier, the racks that I'm going to make into removable doors, they'll go kind of right here to my left, which will bring the garage out to here. So I'll come down here and I'll open a door in. I'll come into the garage, and then when I put those closable door racks that I have over there up here, I can fasten them from inside, basically lock them inside. And then all I have to do is build a lock right here, strong enough to make it very difficult to break into. And I can also lock whatever I put inside of here, so even if someone does get in, they're going to have to dismantle the locks here to get anything much bigger than a life jacket or a boat gas tank out of here. Now that shouldn't be too hard to do. I'm going to be putting in some more posts, pouring a little bit more concrete, extending this out, making a small, heavy door. What I mean by heavy is I'm going to have some steel and reinforcement in it, and I'll figure out a locking system for it. Oh, and it should be just lovely. I'm so much looking forward to it. So I just thought I'd share that with you. Tomorrow I'll probably be out here working on that. But since I was thinking about it today, I thought I'd share it with you today. And then you can think about it with me until we get back to work doing more stuff here. Thanks for hanging out with me. Love y'all. Hope you have a nice day and a good night. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.